Never give up. I believe you should never give up no matter what happens. During my high school years, I went through a lot of consequences. I was always getting in trouble for dumb reasons. I would listen to my friends and do what they would tell me, and I would be the one paying for the consequences. During my sophomore year, I would hang out with my best friend, but started realizing she wasn't a true friend since she was always getting me in trouble. I was the only one getting in trouble even though we both had mistakes. One day she told me to go to a girl and tell her things who I disliked. I listened to her and went. I got caught by Mr. Gage when I went to tell her things. He took me to the office and talked to me. I was afraid of his reaction since I knew it was my last strike on my high school contract. Now I was up for expulsion. When he told me that I was up for expulsion, I didn't know what to do or think. He talked to me and told me what I wasn't doing right when I had only one strike left. 2 days later, I had a meeting with my parents and teachers to talk about my expulsion, but I wasn't going to give up. I told them I was going to behave, that all I needed was one last chance. I had to prove to them I was a better person and that I was going to change. I started to hang out with new friends and started to do all my work for each class. I changed the way I had been behaving and I became a responsible person. Now I am a senior who has good grades and is ready to graduate. This is why I believe that you should never give up because the more you try, the better person you are.